we are joining you a bit later today because we've just had a chilled day at Typhoon Lagoon. And then we've just gone back to the hotel and got showered and everything. And we're heading out to Epcot. It's 5:45 in the evening.
Yeah.
We're going to do a few rides, get some dinner and watch Harmonious. So we're just on the Skyliner heading over. That's their new fireworks show, firework and lights and laser show. So we're just heading over. Takes about, I don't know, 15 minutes to get there. We have to change at the Caribbean beach and get on the Epcot line, and that then goes to the Riviera, and it goes around a little turn, doesn't it?
Sorry, I wasn't even listening.
Goes to the Riviera, it does a little turn, and then it goes on over to Epcot. Thanks.
You are interesting, honestly.
Right. You can pay for dinner now. So we're having dinner at the American Pavilion in the barbecue place. We've all got ribs. And the ribs, you can have a choice of sides. I've gone for the macaroni cheese, and you get garlic bread with it. And yeah, it looks really nice. The garlic bread's nice. I've eaten my garlic bread nearly already. Approve? Good. Good. What did you think of the ribs?
Gorgeous.
Good. Oh,
I'm blind. I'm blind.
Blind. So we're just heading down to the Frozen ride down to Norway, and we've got our mobile order in for caramel couche. Oh, and the ball's looking pretty. Hi. Very musical. Mason, what's this? What are these? Oh look. Oh no, I don't think you mentioned. Oh, down here, look. There we are. Heading on Frozen.
Mummy chose this.
The regular queue is 90 minutes.
All the way over, please. There's all available space. For those of you just joining us, please stay behind that yellow line. Please stay behind the yellow line.
Why is it so wet?
Because you go down two waterfalls. Daddy doesn't want to go on it now.
Everyone is not sorry.
Exit
Emergency exit.
via a Disney gift shop, as always.
Where's the nearest emergency exit?
These are nice. Mason. So we've all got our frozen Coca-Colas and we are just waiting for Harmonious to start.
Oh, and you're not allowed to sit on this wall
Oh, you're not allowed to sit on
because
the
they'll
wall.
come along in a boat and they'll shout at you and tell you to get off.
Always getting told off. But what's the time now?
25 to.
25 minutes. It's the first time I've seen this show. So maybe. Via the boardwalk. Yeah, this is all a resort, mate. It's pretty, isn't it? Because the queue for the Skyliner was so big.
We could
So,
just not do it. It was so big.
So we thought we'd catch
I'm
a
gonna
bus
get you
to the hub.
copyrighted.
So we thought we'd catch a bus to the hub and then get off and get one to pop. Or
What's the hub?
we may get an Uber.
What's the hub?
I'm not sure, but this is, I'd love to stay here one day. It's just so pretty.
Oh, what's the hub?
It's the front of the boardwalk. Well, then my camera doesn't like it. So we're gonna get a bus to Disney Springs and then change for Pop.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get